Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing this particular hairstyle, and if you would like to see how I do it, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is what we're starting out with. Super oily hair. This has been suppressed for about, I want to say 3 weeks going on now, but I'm trying to stretch it out as much as I can. The first step is we're just going to brush out our hair and make sure that everything is nice and detangled. Y'all, I don't know about you, but I know about me, and I really despise wash day because it's just like a lot of work. But now it's getting to the point where I can wear my hair out curly and not have to worry about having my hair being curly and wet in the coldness, because I despise that as well. I don't know. I have a lot of, things with my hair that just sometimes irritate me. Okay, step 2, we are going to map out where everything is going to be. So for this design, it's a half up, half down. She has some face framing pieces, and I love doing face framing pieces, if you know me. So we're going to map out our little pieces that are going to be in the front of our face, as well as the half up hair that is going to be up. Okay, so my little pieces that are going to be out. Ooh, look how stiff that is. Oof, babes, I don't know if this is gonna work. It may be too stiff, or not. It's looking like it may work. Okay, so these being the 2 little face framing pieces that I'm good with. Make sure they're just relatively close in size. That's just basically what needs to happen there, that they're somewhat symmetrical, if you know what I mean. What else? Okay, now I'm going to part by the tops of my ears and go straight back, just like this. And I'm going to take this upper half and I'm going to go and pull back the second half into a ponytail so that the hair just does not get mixed up with the top half. Step 3, I'm going to start molding the top half of my hair into a bun or whatever. Now, this part needs to be molded, I would say, pretty high up, because you want the little twisties to be in a good position. So we're gonna mold it pretty high up, and I'm gonna brush my hair in an upwards motion just so that the hair is starting to recognize that, okay, that is the direction that we are going in. To try and place where I want this to go on my head. Now, for this placement, go ahead and secure that ponytail in place. That might be too tight. I don't want to do too tight on my head. Remember, ladies, we are not securing anything super tight, because we don't want any breakage. Okay, step 3, we're going to split this piece, our ponytail, into 4 different pieces, and those are going to be our little buns. So make it like how you would make a regular bun, if you know what I mean. Twist, 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 and your hair will begin to twist on itself, just like that. And that's what you want. And once you feel like you have it good, take a bobby pin and secure it at the base. I think that's going to be good like that right there. So I'm going to secure it base. Ooh. Just like that. And now, instead of just like a little regular bun, you have a more intricate looking bun. She's super cute. Okay, step 4 is to perfect your baby hairs and the little flyaways that you have. I'm gonna take my Shiny Jam because I just like it. And now we're gonna do our edges. Just like that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. My little face framers. Let me see if I can move this up a little bit because the hair is like I'm gonna brush out the little face framers around my face just to make sure that they are where they need to be. Step 5. Step 5, take the hair that was half down, pull her out so that you can have the rest of the hairstyle is basically done at this point. Basically, comb it out. Okay. So your last step and one of the most important steps is sealing in your hairstyle. For my hairspray today, I'm going in with the Kenra volume spray, and this one is the number 25. So I'm gonna secure it. That is the hairstyle complete. I will turn around so you can see the back, but here it is. Wow. I think this style is super cute and super fun. Another take on your half up, half down. I know that I love that style on me, like no matter how the style is executed, like if there's face framing pieces, if there's no pieces like out in the front, however the bun is, if it's a bun, if it's a ponytail, if it's a claw clip, like I love me a good half up, half down hairstyle. She eats. So if you liked today's video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more videos just like this one, and I will see you in my next video.